Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uninstalling apps on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to the home screen of your Android TV. From there, select Apps from the left sidebar. On the Apps page, locate the app you want to remove. Hold down the OK button on your remote until a pop-up appears, and then select Uninstall. You will now be asked to confirm your decision. Click OK. That app will now be uninstalled from your Android TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Sony Bravia tips and tricks.